Be ready for dictation. Dictation starts after 5 seconds. Start. We may also state that under the general law of contracts, once the contract is entered into, any clause giving absolute power to one party to override or modify the terms of the contract at his sweet will or to cancel the contract even if the opposite party is not in breach, will amount to interfering with the integrity of the contract. Stop. The said judgment was considered again, but the principle enunciated was not deferred from. Stop. So, with the help of the above decisions, he would argue that when there is no scope for unilateral repudiation or termination of contract for non-fulfillment of part of contract, owing to various difficulties, then, it amounts to against the public policy of Indian law and therefore, liable to be set aside. Stop. Regarding the time as essence of contract, he would argue that in construction contract, it depends upon the various factors, right from the obtaining of permission and various no objection certificates, and due to delay either it may be attributed to the contractor or to the owner. Stop. Now, coming to the aspect of repudiation of contract or unilateral termination of the contract, etc. Stop. The applicants repeatedly sought consent of the defendant to modify the joint development agreement, which was not accepted by the defendant. Stop. Therefore, according to the applicants, the respondent has repudiated the contract unilaterally, and according to the defendant, it is by conduct, the applicants have repudiated the contract. Stop. The arbitral tribunal, by referring to the various NOCs obtained from the various authorities and payment made by it towards non-refundable deposit to the tune of rupees 69 crores. Stop. The above two decisions have been considered by the arbitral tribunal, and the decision which was not cited before the arbitral tribunal, it has come within the line of above decision, and the ratio laid down is one and the same. Stop. The arbitral tribunal, by referring to the decision cited by learned counsel for the respondent regarding repudiation, has come to the conclusion that the claimant wanted to respondent to agree for modifying the joint development agreement by agreeing for upfront mortgage of the schedule property to secure the loan, which was not the desire of the defendant as per the joint development agreement. Stop. Accordingly, comma, negative contention of both the parties regarding termination of contract. Stop. Dictation ends.